Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the latest and greatest products on the market. Today, we're diving into the world of barbecue enthusiasts with a mouthwatering treat: the Pork Barrel Barbecue All-American Spice Barbecue Seasoning. If you're a fan of grilling, smoking, and adding flavor to your meats, you won't want to miss this. Stick around as we explore what makes this dry rub stand out from the rest. Let's kick things off by highlighting why this Pork Barrel Barbecue All-American Spice Barbecue Seasoning is truly the best barbecue dry rub available. First off, take a look at this sleek packaging. It's got that classic barbecue charm that gets you excited to fire up the grill. But what's inside is even more exciting. Now, let's talk about what makes this dry rub so special. It's a 22-ounce chef shaker of all-purpose spice seasoning that can take your barbecue game to the next level. Whether you're grilling steaks, pork chops, chicken wings, or even veggies, this seasoning has you covered. That's right, folks. It's gluten-free, making it suitable for a wide range of dietary preferences. No added sugars here, which is great news for those looking to cut down on sugar. Clean and natural flavors without any unwanted additives. This seasoning isn't limited to just meat. You can use it on fish, vegetables, and even in recipes like chili and biscuits. Can't be shipped to all locations, so be sure to check the shipping options. Comes in a 22-ounce chef shaker, ensuring you have plenty for all your grilling adventures. And there you have it, folks. The Pork Barrel Barbecue All-American Spice Barbecue Seasoning, the best barbecue dry rub on the market. Whether you're a seasoned grill master or a backyard barbecue enthusiast, this seasoning will elevate your culinary creations to a whole new level. If you want to take your barbecue game to the next level, click the link in the description below to get your hands on this amazing seasoning. Don't miss out on the opportunity to transform your meals into barbecue masterpieces. Thank you for joining us on Product Critique. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more in-depth product reviews. Until next time, happy grilling, and remember, the flavor is in the rub.